Yeah, hi. My name is Chong. I'm as you can see from Germany. So I'm a typical German. Actually, I'm Korean hardware, German software, and I'm happy to present you our new products, our latest product. It's a world first digital whiteboard, a so-called QLED. It stands for like a high contrast, deep black color, and gives you brilliant pictures, as you can see here in our video. And yeah, we're the number one, and we are the number one market leader in Korea for digital whiteboards. And I'm based in Germany, and if you want to see me, check on your browser or write in Google, maybe it's better, polyboard.de. POLYBOARD.de. Yeah.